What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and we're back with another video for you guys, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't seen my last video, this video is a continuation of that video. Me and a couple of the guys, we linked up after the Mopar meet, and we made our own fun. If you like donuts, if you like burnouts, you just like burning rubber in general, you're gonna love this video. Shout out to all my guys in this video, man, and I'm about ready to get it started. Before I do though, go down, get this video a like, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post, because I'm coming with the heat for y'all. So I'm ready for this video. I know y'all ready for this video. Let's get to it. That about does that for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single last one of you guys, man. Do me a favor, go down, get us with a thumbs up for me. Also hit that subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of the new heat